Yo, what's going on, everyone? I know I haven't filmed in a while, but I'm gonna try to get back on it. We've been pretty busy just doing random stuff, but I'm gonna start just filming everything that we do, all the little mobile jobs and stuff, all the little repairs. Today we're working on hanging up some gates. We already did 4 sets of these. We make them at the shop and then we just come out here and get them hung up. I'm not just gonna walk you guys through hanging up some gates, and yeah, we actually started the other day, but we got out here pretty late, so we weren't able to finish. This one's already hung up, and so is that one. We had this one hung up, but then we forgot to make sure that the tops were level, so we had to cut them back out, or we had to cut one of them back out. Actually, we have to cut both of them back out. So I'm gonna cut them out, get these cleaned up, and then we'll get them welded on. And then Max is working on cutting the top of these posts up there. They have to be flush with the wall. So yeah, we'll get on it. This is kind of what our setup looks like. We just have some random stuff here, caps, hinges and stuff, and then toolbox. Usually the toolbox, I put it over here just so it's easier to access all of our tools. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys on some time lapse so you guys can see how we go about this. Alright, we got the gates all done. Hinges all welded on. Top and bottom. All the way around. Pins. Pretty level. Top and bottom. On both. The post and gates are still getting repainted. They're all getting a fresh coat of paint. I'm not sure what color. Tubes also got capped. There it is. I've been flux welding these. I hadn't done flux in like 2 years since I finished school, but they look pretty solid. They don't look too bad. We're doing some flux. Not bad. So thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna try to upload a little more frequently. Catch you guys next time.